Hey you guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Caitlin. If you're new, I make a lot of different content here on YouTube. I do a lot of clothing hauls, makeup review, travel vlogs, and I also review different products and services. Today I wanted to review the app ClassPass. I've been a ClassPass member for over 6 months now, and I had heard a lot about it before I decided to try it. I decided to try it whenever I moved into the city of Pittsburgh, and I had all of these fitness classes at my disposal. And overall, I would have to say I just have really great things to say about the app. But again, this is coming from an honest, unbiased perspective. You know, I'm not partnering with them on this video or anything like that. I've never received anything free from the app. But I just want to tell you genuinely about my really positive experience with it and kind of what you can expect from the app if you are deciding to purchase credits or whatnot. I believe they do have a free 1-week trial, and I believe you can get some free credits if you use my link, which I'll leave in the description box. But the main thing I really like about ClassPass is how many different workouts you can access on it. So if you're not familiar with what ClassPass is, it is an app on your phone and you pay a monthly fee for a set amount of credits, and then those credits go towards classes. So a spin class might be 6 credits, a solid core class might be 8 credits, a yoga class might be 4 credits. The credits are determined kind of based upon the demand of the class and also the pricing of the studio, the fees of the studio, different things like that. So the prices will fluctuate per class. Because like at my spin studio, I've gone to classes that were as low as 5 credits, and I've seen classes as high as 9 credits. So it just really depends upon the demand for that particular time slot. But I love how many different classes I can try out on the app without having to commit to like a full membership at a studio. I think it's really cool for classes that you're just kind of like on the fence about and you're not really sure if you would like them. For example, I recently tried F45, which I thought was really intimidating. I had been wanting to try it for a while, but I never, wanted to pay for a class and then regret spending that money or get sucked into a membership plan. So when it finally came on the app about a month ago, I was so stoked and I immediately signed up for a class. It was one of the hardest workout classes I've ever taken, hands down, but I love that, there's so many popular fitness chains on the app, like F45, Solid Core, Pure Barre. So I think that is a really big pro of them, is all of these different fitness classes at your disposal without having to commit to a membership at the studio. I think the idea of ClassPass is definitely more for people that live in cities where there are a lot of different classes, because if I was living in my hometown, I don't think the app would be as beneficial to me. The second thing I really like about the app is just how easy it is to use. It's very functional. It's very easy to search for different fitness studios. It will adapt to your location. So if I go out to California for a week, then the classes in my area will pop up on ClassPass and I can book a class out there, which is really cool. You can cancel the classes. You do pay a late fee if you cancel them too late. But if I book a class on Friday and I decide Thursday morning I want to cancel it, I can do that and I receive the credits back. So it's a really easy system. I also really like how your credits can roll over month to month. You can roll over up to the maximum amount of credits you have on your plan. So for example, I have an 80 credit plan, so I can roll over 80 credits every single month. When I first started, I enrolled in the 33 credit plan, which I believe is like the suggested plan for most people. And I would say for me, that allowed me to do about 2 workout classes a week. But then I got really obsessed with the app and working out and everything. And now I'm up to the 80 credit plan, which allows me to do about 3 to 4 workouts a week. I would probably recommend starting with a 33 credit plan if you are new to the app. Another thing I really like about the app is how accountable it keeps you to your workout plan. You could be really motivated to work out one day and decide to schedule a solid core class for yourself on Wednesday night, and then Wednesday rolls around and you're not feeling as motivated, but you have this class booked, and if you don't go to it, you'll be charged a penalty. So you're already paying into the app. You don't want to pay this penalty. You have the class booked, so you're just going to go. So it really, really keeps you accountable to your workout routine. As far as the classes go that I have taken on the app, my favorite class, my go-to class, I do this class twice a week. That is Zenergy Cycling. It's very similar to SoulCycle. They have several locations in the US, Pittsburgh, Morgantown, and around the Chicago area, but I love Zenergy. It's just my absolute favorite class. So I go there twice a week. I have also tried Pure Barre, which I'm not a big fan of, which is cool about the app. I didn't have to pay for a bunch of classes at Pure Barre. I was able to try that class on the app, decided it wasn't for me, and moved on with it. I have recently started taking F45, which I really like. I've been trying to go to that once a week for mostly strength training. I also really like Amazing Yoga. It's a local yoga studio in Shadyside, if you're familiar with Pittsburgh. They have really excellent hot yoga classes. I've never sweat so much in my entire life. I try to do hot yoga once a week. And then solid core. I'm trying my first solid core class tonight. I was always hesitant about booking solid core when I was on the lower ClassPass plan because it would just suck up so many of my credits, since those classes are always really marked up because they're really in demand. So tonight's my first time trying solid core, so I'll keep you posted if I like it. But yeah, those are the things that I really like about ClassPass. It's such an awesome app. If you're on the fence about getting it, just do it. At least sign up for the free trial and see what it has to offer you. It's just a great way to be accountable to a fitness routine, to try different fitness classes, to meet new people, and it really helps doing such a variety of fitness classes. I find it really helps me stay motivated, as opposed to just going to the gym every day and running on the treadmill or doing the elliptical. It's nice to have this balance of strength, cardio, spin classes. It's really everything that you get on this app. But if you have any other questions that I could help answer, leave them down below. Use my link if you want some free credits. And yeah, if you're interested in hearing like more specific reviews on the classes, also let me know, because I can do kind of like an in-depth review if you're interested in like my experience with F45 or solid core when I start going there more regularly. But thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next week. Bye.